Are you studying programming or computer science, but want study material that's actually interesting and easier to understand? Or are you an aspiring game developer who wants to learn how to program a role-playing game, aka an RPG? You know, games like Final Fantasy, Dragon Quest, Chrono Trigger, Golden Sun, and so on. If you said yes to either, I have a solution for you. I am putting together tutorials that teach you computer science through video games, specifically through Japanese-style RPGs, focusing on the Java language. Of course, I might do other languages too if you express enough interest in it. So why me? I'm an independent game developer, an experienced tutor and software engineer. I've been through many of the same classes you have, and I know how much more fun my students have when we talk about their favorite games, rather than the more generic textbook material. I love RPGs myself, so it's more fun for me as well. Why Patreon? Right now, I tutor one-on-one, hourly, but there's only so many hours and students that I can tutor. I want to use those tutoring hours to make widely available tutorials to help more of you with on-demand material, and probably even spend more time making games for you to play after class. I'm even making a special game to help you study for your computer programming class finals. Watch and read the material whenever and wherever you want, without having to wait for or find a tutor, at only a small fraction of my regular tutor's fee. Get started making your own games and add some fun to computer science class. If this sounds good, get access to even more exclusive content by becoming a patron today. I look forward to helping you learn computer science and to seeing what some of you come up with your own game creations. Thank you.